Big belly bothering you? Try these moves. Burn fat. See results in weeks. Let's begin training. First, hold 45 seconds. Start in plank. Knees lift, engage core. Lift hips into a pike. Hold briefly. Return to plank. Repeat. Second move. Hold 45s. Arms overhead. Palms together. Fingers interlace. Hinge hips. Bend knees. Drop up between legs. Spine neutral. Return slowly to start. Repeat. Third move. Hold 45s. Arms up. Turn left. Pivot feet to face left. Sweep arms left like tossing something down. Then pivot back to start. Repeat. Alternating sides again. Rest for 15 seconds. Pause. Hold 45 seconds. Stand beside partner. Swing arms overhead. Fist. Grip left. Lift right heel. Twist. Bend knees. Arms down. Rise. Twist right. Lift left heel. Repeat. Move 5. Hold 45s. Lie on your back. Legs on floor. Arms overhead. Elbows soft. Lift torso and legs. Tuck knee. Drop arm. Hug feet. Return to start. Repeat. Last move. Hold 45s. Lie on your back. Feet flat. Sit up into a curve. Brace hands. Stand. Then roll back to start and repeat the sequence smoothly. Nice work. Later.